This is my rocket, Pioneer, and you can make your own rocket like mine. Here's how. The first step in building my rocket was simulating the structure of it in OpenRocket. OpenRocket is a free open source software that lets you design and simulate the basic structure of your rocket, allowing you to choose the different parameters on what you want to do to build it. I searched up tutorials online on how to use OpenRocket, and once I was comfortable enough, I decided to make my own. To build this, I needed a nose cone, a body tube to hold the parachute, and the fin can to hold the rocket motor and the fin. Because this was my first rocket, I didn't want the apogee to be too high, so I aimed around 200 feet. I paid attention to a few key metrics. First of all, the apogee, or the max altitude in the rocket's flight. Second, I paid attention to stability. The two most important metrics to measure stability are the center of gravity and the center of pressure. If you balance the rocket on one finger, the center of gravity is the point where your finger is. The center of pressure is the point where all forces act on the rocket. The center of gravity has to be in front of the center of pressure, and the stability is the measure of how far apart they are. I had to balance stability and apogee between the rocket motor and the structure of the rocket. You have to balance one or the other. Originally, I had planned to make the rocket 3 centimeters in diameter, but after doing a test print, If you're interested in the full build process, check out the related video.